Today's God message for you: changing for the better doesn't always feel better. Understand people will not admire you at first. They will grow annoyed or uncomfortable around you. They will change around you because of the person you are becoming. They will be forced to look at their own life, and usually they become resentful of you because change is not easy. It never has been and never will be. Do not worry about these people. In fact, ignore these people. They don't understand that long-term gratification is earned now. They can have their comfort zone. Change will only come once your willingness to change is even greater than your willingness to live in your comfort zone. There is nothing better than finding yourself in your own zone of unique control. Don't get caught up in the small things. Becoming successful is simply doing what others won't do to get to where you want to go. That's it. Define success not by the world's standards, but by your own. I've seen success in a mother's eyes more often than deep down we know who is richer. Embrace the journey of change. You are a wolf. Choose your moon. Type, "This too shall pass," to affirm. God is saying to you today, you will never know if something is meant for you if you don't give it a proper chance. Whether it's a relationship, a new job, a new city, or a new experience, throw yourself into it completely and don't hold back. If it doesn't work out, then it probably wasn't meant for you, and you'll walk away without regret, knowing that you put your whole heart into it. That's all you can ever do. It's a horrible feeling leaving a situation knowing that you should have and could have done more. So find the courage to take that chance. Find the inspiration to make your next move. And once you do, pour your heart into it and don't look back. Universe message: the next time you start regretting something you did, something you said, that life-changing choice you made, please remember that you did the best you could. You made the decision you felt was best for you at the time. And even though the outcome you desired turned into something completely different, maybe you were always meant to be exactly where you are right now. Maybe that relationship was supposed to end, even though you didn't want it to. Maybe some things fall apart so that something else more beautiful can come together. Maybe even though it doesn't feel like it right now, this small yet giant, magic yet mighty little moment was always where you were supposed to end up. So don't wistfully wish for what could have been. You did the best you could, the best way you knew how. You were meant to be here. Type yes if you're ready, and share this video with 3 people who trust God. God message for you: when you are going through too many things, It's hard to look on the good side of your life, but don't let your struggles make you doubt the value of your life. Don't let your losses make you forget how far you have come and all that you have gained. Not all your days are beautiful, filled with happiness and sunshine. No, that's not how life works. But you can always choose to trust the good days, for they will come again, no matter what has happened, even if they seem impossible today. Type Amen if you believe this. God says today, the best kind of people are the ones who love you unconditionally, are soft and gentle with your heart and soul, make you smile with just their presence, know when something is not right without you having to say anything at all, take responsibility for their actions, respect other humans, let you be yourself and accept you as you are. Forgive others instead of seek revenge. Are patient with your struggles. Are there, no matter the situation, make you feel safe, loved and understood. Help you without expecting anything in return. Listen attentively. Ask you to message them when you get home safe. Are there for you during the lows just as much as the highs. Check up on you when you are quiet. Believe in lifting other people up. Focus on self-care. See the best in you. Even when you can't, teach you new things. Find happiness in your happiness. Show that you are loved and reassure you when you need it. Don't try to make you feel guilty for being upset. Are always honest and kind. Hold space for you, your feelings without judgment. To feel are present with you. Bring sunshine to your day. Please subscribe our channel and turn on bell notification for more God message.